can't see the LEDs at all though on camera probably, because that says 800 RPM. Oh, you can just about. And that says wash /60, but it's on rapid 15. That's why I don't really like these myself. It's an Essentials made one, but it's still by Vestal.
It's like grotty, to be fair. Definitely quite grotty. I can see bits in the drum.
Yeah.
Tumbles quite fast.
And for quite long, in one go. Manky. But otherwise, the outside's in good condition.
It's quite in good condition, this machine. It needs a little bit of a touch-up, because obviously there's